Hello everyone, it's Dale here with the new weekly trading ideas. What you see before you is NinjaTrader 8 with my custom-made volume profile and VWAP indicators. And the chart before you is US dollar Japanese yen, 30-minute time frame. And there has been quite a ride in the night, and this is the crazy sell-off on the US dollar Japanese yen. Market got manipulated, but that manipulation formed a very nice level to go short from, and the level is in here, 159.30, right here, this resistance. And the resistance is based on heavy volumes which got formed in here before the sell-off started. So it looks like sellers were building up their short positions in here before manipulating the price to shoot aggressively downwards. And this heavy volume zone is important for them. So what I expect is, if there's a pullback, then I expect a reaction from this place, as the sellers from here will want to defend this place, defend the shorts which they placed there, and push the price downwards from there. So currently this is an important zone on the Japanese yen. It is a bit risky trade, so if you are not feeling like it, then you can just skip it, because currently the volatility is just crazy, so it's also completely fine to skip the trade. But I just wanted to show you this strong level and comment on it a bit. Alright, so that's about this one. The next trading idea is on the New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Now, before you, this is a 30-minute chart of the New Zealand dollar, US dollar, and I have a support here, which formed quite recently, and it is at 0.5965. This one is based on a volume profile setup, which I trade when there's a trend, like this one, the one which started today. When there's a trend, I look for significant volume zones. There's a volume zone in here and in here, or you can look at it as one big heavy volume zone, which begins in here at 0.5965. The reason why I placed the level at the beginning of that heavy volume zone in here, of the first heavy volume zone in here, is that if you look in here, the price was reacting to this general area in the past. Which means that in the past, this worked as a resistance. Now, when the price blew past that resistance, it turned into a support. Alright, that's a price action setup. Resistance turning into support. And at the same time, we have that volume profile setup. Right, so chances are, when there's pullback to this heavy volume zone, then the buyers from this heavy volume zone will become active and push the price upwards from there again. Now let's check out the next trading idea, and it will be on the Euro British Pound. So this is a 30-minute chart of the Euro British Pound. If you remember, we had a nice trade from the previous weekly trading ideas video. We had a long based on those heavy volumes. This was the long. Ideal take profit was in here as the price touched the first deviation, because when the price is trending, it likes to react to it, like you see in here. All right, so all those are reactions to the first deviation, and also I missed this one. So that's why the best place to quit the trade, the long, was as it reached the first deviation here. But that's not really what I wanted to show you here. What I wanted to show you was a new resistance, and that resistance is at the beginning of this new downtrend. As you can see, there were heavy volumes formed in here before this sell-off started, especially this aggressive red candle in here. This is telling you that sellers were accumulating their short positions in here, in this rotation, and then they manipulated the price to shoot downwards and start this new downtrend. And this heavy volume zone is an important zone for the sellers who are accumulating their short positions there. So this is the level at the beginning of that heavy volume zone, 0.8625. If there's a pullback, then chances are that there'll be a reaction. Alright, as the sellers from here are likely to defend this place and push the price downwards from this level again. This is a volume accumulation setup. This is a setup which you use when there's a rotation followed by a trend, and you see that there were heavy volumes within the rotation. So you trade from that heavy volume zone formed in the rotation, like this. Alright, so what we need to do now is just wait for that pullback, and if it occurs, then take it from here. Now, if you guys are interested in learning more about volume profile trading, then head over to my website. It is at trader-dale.com, and if you click this button which says trading course and tools, then it will take you to this page. Right here, this is volume profile pack, which is educational and indicator pack focusing on teaching you everything there is about volume profile trading. And below that, there's the order flow pack, which focuses on day trading with order flow. This one also includes my custom-made indicators, that being the order flow software and the volume profile software. If you are interested in getting both, then there's a combo pack below, where you can get the volume profile pack as well as the order flow pack for a discounted price. Alright, so that's about that. Now, before I wrap the video up, I would like to announce a winner of a contest we had last time. The prize of the contest were my custom-made indicators for TradingView platform, and right now you see the name of the person who won those indicators, those being volume profile and VWAP indicators for TradingView. So congratulations to the winner, and what I'll do next is I'll do another contest for the next week. The only thing that you need to do to participate in the contest is leave a comment below this video, which I'll publish on YouTube, and next week I'll randomly pick one person to win those set of custom-made indicators. Alright, so that's about that. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time, and until then, happy trading!